Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my Aigybobo Origami Paper Set. I used to love doing origami as a kid, and I've been trying to teach it to my kids, but the younger kids sometimes struggle with some of the folding steps. So I was looking around for different ways to help them have more fun with origami and not get discouraged. This set has more than 308 pieces. This includes 200 double-sided just a regular plain origami paper, and it also has 108 sheets that have the pattern on it. It also comes with the instruction book as well as a box to keep all the pieces together in one spot. My kids are particularly excited about the patterned origami paper because they think it's the coolest things for the origami animals to have some designs on it. When I first got it, I made an origami crane to test it out, and the kids and I are looking forward to try all the different patterns that they teach in the instruction book. If you are looking for a good size origami paper set, either as an activity for the kids or even as a gift for Christmas or for birthdays or for homeschooling, definitely check this out.